Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. Our vlog's gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna be unboxing FabFitFun. And we're so excited to tell you guys that we partner with FabFitFun for this upcoming fall season. So if you're on Instagram, you probably see like some of your favorites unboxing their FabFitFun boxes, posting their cute photos with it. So when they contacted us and said they wanted to send us a box over, we were like, yes. Isn't that right? Yeah, these boxes, they are seasonal, they're not monthly, so you get them 4 times a year. Yeah, for 4 seasons for $49.99. Inside the boxes, everything is over $200. So you're pretty much paying $49.99 for products that value over $200, which is a good deal. But we do have a code for you guys, so you don't have to pay $49.99. Your very first box, you can get $10 off, so $39.99 for the very first box. Use our code TwoLaLa. Some good stuff in here. How they packed everything in here. So whoever packed these boxes, y'all the real MVP. We're just gonna show you guys what's in this box. So Ebby and I, it's kind of like a twin versus twin unboxing. Yeah, our boxes are different. I'm so glad that it's the exact same box. Ooh, twins. Towards the end, you'll see what we got different, so you can keep watching. As we go along as well, we'll show you how much each item retails for and everything, so we can add up our boxes and see if they're really over 200. All right, so the first thing we got was this magazine, which is really cool. It's got our girl Megan Trainor on the cover. She follows us on Instagram. Yeah, she's so nice. She's really nice. Yeah. Where this magazine just tells you what's in the box. It gives the backstories on a lot of the products. A lot of the products in these boxes are female owned, so that's kind of like the thing they're going for. A lot of these boxes, they also support charities. So I think this one is supporting the City of Hope. So your money is going to something good. All right, so the first thing in our box is the Harper plus Ari exfoliating sugar cubes juice cleanse. You don't put them in your drink. Okay, I got it wrong. So all I saw was juice cleanse, so I got excited. Like, put these in your drink. I was like, you can just drop them in your water, but no, you exfoliate your skin with them. You just take it in the shower with you and rub it on your skin. Water just kind of melts it onto your skin, and it just exfoliates, and it's a nice little spa shower you can do. I know, it smells so good. This thing clearly says for body only. And she's like, oh, I can drink this. Because juice cleanse threw me off, you guys. But no, you cannot drink, do not drink these. And this retails for $16. So yeah, we'll have those linked below. And the next thing we got was this full-size bottle of Human Plus Kind skincare with a conscience. It's a body souffle. And it's got shea butter and everything. Cooler weather coming up, shea butter. Like it just all goes together. This smells. This is another good smelling product. This smells really good. It's very perfumey, like you don't even need perfume. And it retails for $18. 16 plus 18, that's what, 34? We're not even halfway in the box, and we're already about to get the money's worth. All right, so next is a hair product, which is right up our alley. I mean, this is the hair channel, and it's the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, which is it's a treatment, so it's a leave-in treatment. If you done wet hair and then detangle it, it smells good too. You were all very salon-like. Alright, this product here retails for $30. Ding ding ding! We've gone over the price of the box! We've already gone over the price of the box! And next we have, this is really cool, it's a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. I think cool to put in the middle of our dining table. Yeah, so if you're like into like entertaining people, having people over, game night just to watch TV, you can just have like a nice little cheese spread with some wine. Ooh, Riesling. They do that too. Riesling, yeah. So this is really cool, a nice little presentation. It's so cute too. This one retails for $30. This one was the most expensive in this box. Yeah, this is the most expensive in the box. I'm still trying to figure out how they got it. Yeah, this is a yoga mat, and it's a foldable travel yoga mat from Anthropologie. And Anthropologie, you guys know, it's a really expensive brand. This does retail for $50. $50. You guys know we do a lot of our workouts in our bedroom, like especially ab workouts. We do a lot of stuff at home. We go to the gym too sometimes, but it's a lot easier sometimes to just pop on a YouTube video and then do like workouts from your own bedroom. So this is perfect. If you really want this mat, but you don't want to pay $50, just buy the FabFitFun box for $10 off. And you get everything plus this mat. So cool. Yeah. So here's the part where our boxes get different. Alright, so Ebony didn't get this, but I got it, and it's the Ipare, if I'm pronouncing it right, 2-in-1 grinder, where you put salt and pepper in the same grinder and you shake it when you grind it. They both come out at the same time, which is pretty cool. And this retails for $21.95. I got this, Erica didn't, but it's the After Spa hair towel wrap. And and it's pretty much just a hair towel when you finish washing your hair. And it's got like a little loop so you can make a turban with it, and you don't have to worry about the towel coming undone. Anything that can just dry my hair quickly before blow drying it. Yeah, and everything, so I don't have to blow dry it and stuff for a long time. And this one retails for $18. Alright, so next, both of us actually have this. It's kind of hidden in her box. I know, I didn't know I had it. But it's the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. This is an interesting concept. Yeah, I've never heard of this before. What you do is you mix it into your moisturizer. It's like vitamin C, you just put it into your moisturizer or your serums. And as you guys know, vitamin C brightens up your skin, gets rid of those dark spots and everything. So, yeah, so it's actually pretty cool. That's really cool. This actually retails for $54. So this tiny thing is the most expensive one. Freaking vitamin C from the earth or something. The actual legit vitamin C for $54. This better clear away everything, every little blemish on my skin. Better brighten all my dark spots. I'll definitely be using this because I have some dark spots that are covered right now. Alright, and then I got this. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. But basically it's like a cooling eye mask, you know, to kind of help with, I guess, puffiness under your eyes, to make you look bright and awake. Maybe you catch a red eye on the plane. I'm guessing that's what they were thinking of when they named this. But yeah, it's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for your skin, just making it look youthful and everything. I've heard a lot about it. I need to read more about hyaluronic acid because I heard it's really good. It's got aloe vera, which is the cooling part of it, and lavender. So that's very calming. So this is something I'll probably use, I don't know, to use in the morning or at night. I think you can do both. Do both probably. And this retails for $25. Alright, so my last product, if you didn't get this, I did to go along with the pampering theme. It's the aromatherapy, let me see, Associates a Deep Relaxed perfume. And it's a roller ball. And it just smells really good. It smells very herbally. Yeah, it dries and it smells really good. It smells like, I'll probably go to sleep in this because it's like very aromatherapy-like. It's almost like you're in the woods somewhere. Yeah, something like when it dries. Yeah. I can go to sleep too, honestly. Put a mask on my face, I'll be out like a light. This one retails for $29. Okay. Yeah. That's all for, this one might be, no, this one is definitely the more expensive one because it's an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. Oh really? I got the 50% off your first two deliveries. Oh wow, so we can use it together. Okay. You guys don't know HelloFresh subscription service with food, so they bring, you probably heard of it, but they just bring meal delivery. Yeah, they bring meals to your house, to your door, and they got everything you need. You don't have to they bring the ingredients, measure everything, the ingredients and everything. You just cook your meals with it, and it's good for, like, you know, people on the go. They don't know what they want to get, but I definitely want to try it. Or people like us who just don't have the patience to grocery shop and all that stuff. So it just comes already pre-portioned for you. You just put it together, put it in the oven, put it on the stove. $80. Wow. Nice. So we're all done. My box ended up coming up to $241. Mine was $245. So yeah, it went over the $200 price point. So you definitely get your money's worth for the box. Yeah. It's just like, it's like Christmas. You don't know what you're gonna get. Yeah, you don't know. Sometimes you can't customize your box too, or you can choose for it to be a surprise. So I think I'd rather it be a surprise. It's just kind of fun, you know, just to see what I can get. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this different vlog. We'll have more of our regular vlogs coming up on Wednesdays and everything, and then our regular videos on Sunday. So yeah, we'll see you guys on Sunday for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.